First, Judwaa 2 ही क्यों? Why would a remake?
Why not 3, 4?
No, but why not any other film from the 90s? Why
not any
Judwaa
other
2?
film from that? Okay, so it was because we wanted to do a double role. And just doing a double role was not seeming fun enough, you know. One of the best things about Judwaa is the action reaction bit, you know.
Right.
So that is what has come back, and that's the uniqueness of the film. And so in a way, it's a rebooted version. I think it was Sajid sir's idea that let's bring this back, let's bring these songs back, let's bring that humor back, that energy back. And जब आप एक sequel कर रहे हो तो आपको लोगों को सरप्राइज करना है एक अच्छी तरीके से, मतलब in that way that
यार प्रेशर बढ़ नहीं जाता है सीक्वल के टाइम, and especially when you're talking about Judwaa and 2.
but you rather have expectation than not having
Yeah,
it.
it's always
That's
good
right.
to have expectations.
It's always, and there is an expectation with this film.
Coming back to Judwaa 2, मतलब ये जो फिल्म है, हमने ये पता किया है कि पहली बार जब वरुण धवन मिला था सलमान खान से, it was at the screening of Judwaa 1. Am I right?
That's true. Outside the screening.
And also, before he was doing Judwaa 2, he had given you one advice. And ये कहा था कि जो तुम ओवर स्मार्ट बन रहे हो तुम वो मत बनना, पापा जो कह रहे हैं वो सुनना. तो did he do that? तापसी and
Listen to
Jacqueline.
daddy.
Listen to daddy.
Listen to daddy.
No, what he was trying to say is that he knows this genre. इनको ये genre के बारे में सब कुछ पता है.
Right.
Probably better than anyone knows it because इन्होंने बनाई है. Double roles
Correct.
पे ही कितने फिल्म में बनाई है.
But did you surrender is the question.
I did surrender obviously, but I mean I have my own take on
Jacqueline
things.
is full your side.
No,
I
I think there were like a lot of like.
No, there would be a lot
on the
of
set were, like,
arguments
certain-
about things.
Yeah,
Because, see,
मतलब full heated arguments happen.
No, heated
Not
तो कभी नहीं.
heated.
Just
Like
disagreements.
healthy arguments.
But that's good, na?
Obviously, yeah. See, I'll tell him, see, I'm not scared of you. So this is what I feel, and as an actor, I feel an actor has to have an opinion about his own character.
Right.
And he has to have a basic instinct कि मतलब मुझे ये character इस तरीके से portray करना है. And I had a few thoughts of how I wanted Raja or Prem to be probably. And now whether they're right or wrong वो बाद में पता चलेगा. But totally under his छत्र छाया जो envision करते हैं, वो चाहते थे कि मैं बहुत young रहूँ film. That was a constant thing.
Listen, there was a throwback picture of you 16 years back.
Yeah,
And abhi, Varun Dhawan looks the same. How?
देखिए कॉलेज से बाहर नहीं निकला था.
हाँ यार, मतलब
मैक्सिमम मेरे फिल्मों में मैं कॉलेज स्टूडेंट बना हूँ. तो कहीं ना कहीं नो इवन आई वाज लिटिल थिनर आई थिंक एट दैट टाइम बट
I think that's the time I actually saw you for the very first time.
I did
when you were like full bulked up and लंबे
मेरे बाल लंबे थे उस वक्त.
बाल तब
Correct,
लंबे थे,
correct.
correct.